Hi guys, Ron, Take Tips, Tech Stuff, how's it going? Today we're doing a request video. It's for the one you've seen at the very beginning of this video. It's a scrolling text reveal. Now it was requested by a member that I would create this. And I put it up to a vote and I got lots of votes. So here's a tutorial. So here we have some footage of a pump jack. Let's create the effect. Insert video track, right click, insert text media. We're going to call this oil industry gallery. Center it. Change the font, impact. That's my favorite font. Just go up a bit. Let's go to advanced, adjust tracking, lines first, do the line spacing first. That's good. And tracking, just do a little bit of tracking because we're going to add a drop shadow to this. So let's adjust the tracking. Let's get some more space in between the letters. It's good. And let's clear this for now. Make this, say, 10 seconds long. Let's keep it there. Okay. Let's go to media generators. It's like solid color. Just a third track. Make the full length of the text. Now on the first track, on compositing mode, select mode by mask. On the second track, make compositing child. So now I have a white background. So let's add a drop shadow to this to make it stand out, to make it look 3D. So back to generate media, shadow, here it is. Enable shadow. Now this is going to make it pop and give it a 3D effect. So let's play with settings here just to get a little, just do a different drop shadow. Throwing a whole bunch. Just want it just to stand out a bit to make it look 3D. So there it is. That looks pretty good like that. Because I'm playing it. Watch what happens here. Okay, looks good, looks good, looks good. Let's go to the beginning. Now, under Event Pattern Crop, click on that. We'll make this static for almost, say, 4 seconds. 4 seconds. Put the cursor right here. Okay, keyframe. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to animate this so it goes up. I'll show you how it's done. So at the end here, put your cursor to the end. Make sure this is what's going to be set like right now. Move freely, X or Y axis. You want to move this in vertical because what happens is if you go to move this now, if you don't have it set to move in Y only, you're not gonna be able to move it properly. It's gonna be jumping all over the screen. So what we want to do here is grab on this, drag it down. This other frame pulls out. Play this back. It's a little laggy in the preview window. Once it's rendered, it'll be alright. Okay, so let's do the mouse key. Sorry, the arrow key. Go back. Sorry guys, it's like 4:38 in the morning here. I'm a little half asleep still. Okay. On your keyboard, press M for marker. Set this in. Go end of the clip here. Zoom in a bit. The video, press S to split it. There's a video track. Put this in the top clip and bring it right to the marker. Let's go into transitions. So we can dissolve. Additive dissolve. Drag that. This drag here. Out of all the different transitions, I found this one to be the best one. I tried using different fades, didn't really work, and using even a wipe didn't really work. This one seemed to give it the best effect. So let's speed this at half, just so it doesn't lag so much. Let's play this back now. Play it. Then the video reveals. Now it's lagging quite a bit in the preview window. I don't know what's going on. Vegas has always done that. Let's play it back. So once it's rendered, it'll look a lot better than that. But if you're going to do this for an introduction title, what you do is render it out, import it back in, and continue with your project. So that's how to create a scrolling text effect. Once again, this was a request by a member. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.